What's the meaning of AWOL? AWOL. AWOL.
AWOL. AWOL. AWOL is a military term which stands for absent without leave. It refers to a situation where a person who is supposed to be on duty or present at a specific location fails to do so without proper authorization. Being AWOL is considered a serious offense in the military and can result in disciplinary actions, including court-martial and imprisonment. In civilian life, the term is also used to describe someone who is missing or absent without explanation. It can have negative consequences such as job termination or legal repercussions depending on the circumstances.